Alright, we got a pretty hard fight right here going on. We're trying to bring this fish in. We got the man Corbin getting this here.
There we go.
I see it.
Oh gosh, we see it out there. Uh-oh. Keep on going.
It's big, whatever it is.
Come on, Corbin.
Might be a little sharp.
Uh oh, yeah, come on. Yeah, it's over here. Step over here.
Tangled up in the skate.
Skate.
Oh,
Skate. Let's bring him in.
Come here, big boy.
All right. Dude, sweet. Got the skate.
Yeah.
We're familiar with these.
Yes. Alright, just kind of hold the line up. Let me
That was
go.
a big one.
Get my pliers.
Yeah,
I think
man.
this is the biggest skate I've ever caught.
Yeah.
Other than the tiger fish.
Yep.
Jeez, that. Oh man, that was a fight.
Oh, this is probably like a huge striper or something.
How's that for a baby shark?
Hey, I'm happy with a skate.
Oh yeah, I know why.
Yep. Word. All right. Now he's fighting. Should we pick him up?
I would just kick him.
Make sure he makes a nice smack when he hits the water. Oh wait, don't forget, you can get him by the tail.
Oh, watch out.
All right.
What if we just catch him again?
Good
All
job,
right.
guys.
Yes.